This video presentation brought to you by DirectFix.com. We provide the parts, you fix it.
DirectFix.com presents
The Samsung Galaxy S4 Disassembly Guide. Fix your broken iPhone 4 or 4S for under $100 with parts from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
After removing the back cover, battery, SIM card, as well as any memory cards, remove the 9 Phillips screws on the back. Using a case opener tool, separate the back case. Remove 2 small Phillips screws from the motherboard and then begin unplugging connectors. Disconnect the charge port, headphone jack, rear and forward facing cameras, as well as the ear speaker and proximity sensor, as well as the screen and antenna cable. You may now carefully lift the motherboard out of the frame. Remove this small metal plate over the charge port and then remove the charge port. You can now remove the headphone jack, rear facing camera, vibrator, as well as ear speaker. Using a heat gun, heat up the front screen. Use an xacto blade or similar tool to remove the screen from the frame. Be careful of the cable passing through the frame as you remove the screen. Again, be careful of the cable for the touch buttons passing through the frame as well. Carefully remove the small cable at the bottom of your screen, which controls the touch buttons as well as your home button. And then, of course, remove the physical button as well. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to DirectFix.com now.